Hi, so my name's Mike Verga, and I have a Bumblebee here that I've been asked to send some videos just to show the the um, the drone product, and I have been asked by iFlight in my conversations with them to take this apart. This is after it had unexpectedly lost the number two engine, which is this engine right here. It just stopped, and so then I brought it back to my desk here and put it on beta test, and found that this engine wasn't working, and that there may be some issues with the ESC, also because we saw a little bit of wispy smoke, which I turned it off, and so on. So I'll put it on beta flight really quick here and just show that, and then I'll come back, and then we'll take it apart and do what iFlight asked me to do. Okay, so just another quick, showing that I have the drone hooked up to Betaflight, and I have the engines here. You can see this one. You see that that's working, but then if I go to the number two, well, I just get a buzzing, and I don't want to do it for much longer than that, but just a little buzzing, and nothing's happening. So the other engines work. Okay, so it's just that one, and I really don't want to do anything more until we investigate a little bit farther. But I just wanted to include that as well. And it's just a quick update. Everything visually looks clean. No burnt wires or anything from this perspective. The number two engine is still right here, and then this would be the number four. I'm going to desolder the number two engine and the number four, and then try the number four on the number two slot, and we'll see if it's the ESC or just the engine. So be back in a bit. Hi, so we've desoldered the number two motor, replaced it, and soldered it back with the number four engine. And when I apply power to it from Betaflight, it's working. So I guess our conclusion here is that it's the number two engine had died on us for whatever reason. I have it right here, and I'll contact iFlight and see about getting a new engine. Okay, take care. Bye.